In addition to multi-rotors, the simulator features hybrid Vtol vertical takeoff and landing UAVs. These combine the advantages of multi-rotors and fixed-to-wing aircraft, as they can take off and land vertically, like a quadcopter, and switch to fixed-wing mode mid-flight, providing high speed and energy efficiency. Let's look at the process of preparing and executing an autonomous flight on such a vehicle. To get started, select a Vtol aircraft and launch a mission. Wait for the 3D flight simulator and QGroundControl software to fully load. Before takeoff, set the altitude reference mode based on the terrain. Select Calculated above terrain. This will ensure accurate altitude calculations. Press the takeoff button. Unlike a quadcopter, the takeoff point will appear at a distance. This is necessary to switch from multi-rotor to fixed-wing flight mode. It's important to note that the aircraft loses altitude when switching modes. Set a safe flight altitude 100 meters is recommended to avoid collisions with obstacles. Click the waypoint button to plot the flight route using waypoints. The altitude at the waypoints defaults to the last set value, but you can adjust it manually for each waypoint if necessary. Once the flight path is set, click the Land button. You can select a landing point on the map or use the Set to Vehicle Location option to return to the starting position. The system will automatically display the descent path, which can be further customized. You can move it with the mouse, adjust the landing altitude, change the descent orbit radius, and change its direction clockwise or counterclockwise. The flight mission has been created. Before launch, ensure the entire flight path is displayed on the yellow line diagram and does not intersect with the ground altitude. Upload the flight mission to the drone by clicking the Upload Required button. Switch to Fly mode. Ensure the Ready to Fly status is set. Confirm the flight command and wait for the flight to complete. During the flight, if the drone requires a change in altitude at certain points, the device will perform an orbital maneuver, smoothly changing altitude instead of passing directly through the point.